5 Best Washing Machines in 2024. In 2024, the world of washing machines continues to evolve, bringing more convenience, efficiency, and smart technology into our daily lives. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling in an RV, or need a solution for smaller laundry loads, portable and compact washing machines have become a game changer. They are designed to fit into tight spaces while still offering the cleaning power you need to keep your clothes fresh and spotless. The best part: many of these machines now come equipped with features that rival full-size washers, including multiple wash cycles, energy-saving options, and easy portability. Whether you're looking for something compact, budget-friendly, or equipped with the latest features, these machines stand out for their performance and value. Let's dive into the details of each one. Uomi Compact Dryer. While technically a dryer, the Uomi Compact Dryer deserves a place on this list because of its unique dual functionality in compact living situations. It's designed for users who need a small yet powerful machine that can dry clothes effectively without taking up too much space. This compact dryer is particularly ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs where space is limited, but the need for fresh, dry clothes is a daily necessity. Its compact size doesn't compromise its drying power. With a 1.8 cubic feet capacity, it can easily handle several items at once, whether it's t-shirts, towels, or light bedding. One of the standout features of the Uomi Compact Dryer is its energy efficiency. It uses much less energy than traditional dryers, making it a great choice for eco-conscious users or those looking to save on electricity bills. Despite its small size, it offers a range of settings including a timer, high and low heat options, and even a sensor dry feature that automatically stops the machine when clothes are dry, preventing over-drying and saving energy in the process. This ensures that clothes not only dry efficiently but are also protected from damage, keeping fabrics looking fresh and for longer. The portability of the Uomi Compact Dryer is another major benefit. Weighing only about 37 pounds, it's light enough to be moved from room to room or stored away when not in use. It can easily be installed on a countertop, on a shelf, or even mounted on a wall, making it versatile for different living arrangements. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. The Giantex Portable Washing Machine has quickly become a favorite among users looking for a reliable, compact washing solution for apartments, RVs, or even camping trips. This portable washing machine offers the convenience of doing laundry wherever you need it, without having to rely on laundromats or large stationary machines. With a 9.92-pound washing capacity, the Giantex can handle surprisingly large loads for its size, making it perfect for singles, couples, or small families. It also features a spin dryer, meaning you can wash and partially dry your clothes all in one go, which saves both time and effort. One of the key advantages of the Giantex portable washing machine is its user-friendly design. It comes with separate timer controls for the wash and spin cycles, allowing users to adjust settings based on their laundry needs. The machine is simple to operate with minimal setup required. You just need access to a faucet, and you're good to go. This makes it ideal for people living in small apartments or mobile homes where traditional hookups might not be available. Plus, with its transparent lid, you can easily keep an eye on your laundry without interrupting the wash cycle, adding an extra layer of convenience. Beyond its portability and ease of use, the Giantex is known for its durability and efficiency. Despite being a portable machine, it's built with high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Its powerful motor delivers effective cleaning results, ensuring that clothes come out fresh, clean, and well-spun. Avante STW16D0LU Portable Washing Machine. The Avante STW16D0LU Portable Washing Machine is another standout model in the world of compact washers. Known for its sleek design and high performance, the Avante is perfect for people who need a space-saving washing machine without compromising on the quality of their laundry results. With a 1.6 cubic feet capacity, this machine is perfect for small to medium-sized loads, whether you're washing clothes, towels, or small bedding items. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or vacation homes, providing an efficient solution to laundry needs in places where space is at a premium. One of the most attractive features of the Avante STW16D0LU is its multiple wash settings. It offers 6 different wash cycles, including normal, heavy, gentle, quick wash, soak, and spin. These options allow users to customize their washing experience based on the fabric type and level of soiling. The machine's intuitive control panel makes it easy to switch between settings, and its digital display provides real-time updates on the cycle progress. The inclusion of an automatic water level sensor ensures that the machine uses just the right amount of water for each load, which not only saves water but also improves overall efficiency. Another major benefit of the Avante portable washing machine is its quiet operation. Unlike some portable washers that can be noisy and disruptive, the Avante operates quietly, making it suitable for use in apartments or shared living spaces where noise can be an issue. Comfy portable washing machine. The Comfy portable washing machine is another top contender for the best washing machines of 2024, offering a versatile and compact design that fits perfectly in smaller spaces. This machine has a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, which is ideal for individuals or couples who don't need to wash large loads but still want the convenience of having a washing machine at home. Its sleek and modern design allows it to fit in tight spaces, whether it's in a closet, bathroom, or small laundry room. Despite its compact size, the Comfy delivers powerful cleaning results, ensuring that your clothes come out fresh and spotless every time. One of the biggest selling points of the Comfy portable washing machine is its automatic features. The machine comes equipped with 5 wash programs: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water levels, allowing you to customize each wash based on your specific laundry needs. It also has a delay start feature, which means you can set the machine to start a cycle at a later time. Perfect for users who want to take advantage of off-peak electricity hours, or simply want their laundry done by the time they get home. The LED display and control panel are easy to navigate, making this machine a user-friendly option for anyone, even if they're not particularly tech-savvy. Generic Go 15490 OD washing machine. The generic Go 15490 OD washing machine may not have the brand recognition of some other models on this list, but it packs an impressive punch when it comes to performance and versatility. This portable washing machine is designed for users who need a powerful no-frills machine that can handle everyday laundry without taking up too much space. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to wash and spin clothes in one cycle, saving time and energy. With a capacity of 10 pounds, it's perfect for smaller households, RVs, or apartments where space is a concern but laundry still needs to be done regularly. One of the most notable features of the generic Go 15490 OD is its dual tub system. This system allows users to wash and spin clothes separately, offering greater flexibility when it comes to doing laundry. You can wash one load while spinning another, which is especially convenient for those who need to get multiple loads done quickly. Despite its simple design, the machine offers effective cleaning power and spin speeds that rival larger machines, ensuring clothes come out clean and well rinsed. The machine also includes a drain pump, making it easy to empty out water after each cycle. Another significant advantage of the generic Go 15490 OD is its portability. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.